Friends, when our bike or scooter is not starting, in that case we are taking our bike or scooter to the mechanic for servicing of our scooter or our bike. Actually, in some cases, our bike is not starting because of the choked carburetor, because we are not doing proper servicing of our carburetor. So in this video, I will teach you how we can do the servicing of our carburetor by ourselves, and why do this we can save the money also. Friends, Guide Uncle make videos on the solution of your problems. If you not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe our channel first and press bell icon buttons so that you can get notification of our new videos first. So before doing servicing of our carburetor, first we have to remove the carburetor from the bike, and this carburetor we have to open. Actually, this carburetor has three parts. One is the throttle piston assembly, the upper part. Lower part is the float chamber. In that, petrol can be stored and supply to the carburetor. So we have to remove of these parts, throttle parts and as well as the float chamber. So you can see our carburetor how much it is dirty. So we have to clean it first by using the kerosene oil or petrol, because sometimes the petrol is not available, it is very costly also. So we recommend you can use the kerosene oil for cleaning the carburetor. So the carburetor we can clean by the wire brush and using of the kerosene thoroughly. So you can see how much this carbon is deposited inside the chamber of the slot chamber. So this have to clean properly. So this is the throttle piston. You can see how much carbon is there deposited on that piston. Actually, when this carbon is there, so much carbon, this can choke our jet of the carburetors. So there is three jets in our carburetor mainly. This is the pilot jet, main jet, and the inlet needle type. So the inlet needle, it is a spring-loaded uh, portion which allow our fuel to inside the float chamber, and it protect our carburetor from the overflow. And then there is a main jet, it supply the fuel inside the engine, and the pilot jet. So these two jets having very small uh, drill size, or we can say the holes. So we have to clean that, all jets have to properly by the brush. After cleaning, this carburetor have to assemble properly. So we have to check. You can see here it's giving a spring action when you press it, the float. So this float prevent our carburetor by the overflow problem. So before closing it, we have to ensure whether gasket is not cutting in the carburetor, it is seated properly, and then we have to screw our carburetor properly. Fasten it by a proper tool. Star head screw, we have to use the star head, our screwdrivers. So now our carburetor is ready after the cleaning to fit our bike. After fitting to the bike, we have to set the idle speed of the bike or idle RPM of the bike. By setting this RPM through the one screw is there outside the carburetor, we have to set this RPM by adjusting this screw, because if idle speed of our bike is more, then fuel efficiency will be low. So we have to set the idle speed of our engine by setting this screw. Thanks for watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसको लाइक एंड गिव योर कमेंट्स and subscribe this channel. Thanks you.